Starting around 25 walk 2024, Bitcoin Cash essentially is exchanging at data 497.70 in term of its first rate, with the value change of zone 47% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an in every way that really matters huge way. BCH in a real sense has a really all-out market cap of 99 to 794 127 787 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $154 308 856, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This basically makes Bitcoin Cash BCH sort of positioning at 17 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is genuinely critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash be worth in 2024, or so they generally thought? Is Bitcoin Cash a sort of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, or so they really thought? Will BCH cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high in a by and large huge manner? These are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future, which most certainly is very huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost basically is supposed to sort of cross a for the most part normal value level of $568.21. The normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to sort of be $551.77, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, BCH can sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $631.89, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin Cash value figure walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash explicitly is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around a very least of $390.33, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash cost can in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of $443.75 with the especially normal cost of $431.42 in USD, or so they basically thought. BCH value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is determined to really be at around a base worth of $419.50, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $461.00 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $440.05 in USD, which in every practical sense is very critical. BCH value conjecture May 2024. The Bitcoin Cash estimate for May 2024 expects that the BCH may really arrive at a greatest worth of $478.60 with an especially least cost of around $432.71, which generally is very huge. Discussing the truly normal value BCH can really stretch around $453.25 for May, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash value expectation June 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost truly is supposed to generally reach between $441.77 to $501.27 in June 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of BCH for the June essentially remains around $462.31. Bitcoin Cash value expectation July 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash sort of is somewhat anticipated to fundamentally reach at a by and large least worth of $451.02 in July 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $519.76 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $471.56 all through 2024, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin Cash BCH value gauge August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash for the most part is anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a typical cost of $490.42. While the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $543.34 and a fundamentally least of $473.99, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the greatest cost for Bitcoin Cash could generally stretch around $562.95, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in September 2024 truly is $493.61 with a kind of typical cost of $510.04, kind of additional appearance how the BCH cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $519.76 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $471.56 all through 2024, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin Cash BCH value conjecture October 2024. The Bitcoin Cash BCH cost for October 2024 may in a real sense arrive at any rate worth of $509.90, while the in every practical sense greatest squadge cost by and large is around $583.36, which explicitly is very huge. The truly normal cost for BCH basically is especially anticipated to reach $530.44 in October 2024 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost generally is gauged to arrive at an in every practical sense most reduced cost of $525.81, demonstrating the way that the BCH cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $519.76 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $471.56 all through 2024 in a truly significant manner. The BCH cost could really arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $604.57 with the especially normal expected cost around $546.36, which is very critical. Bitcoin Cash value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash basically is supposed to fundamentally be at around a by and large least of $551.77 incredibly. Bitcoin Cash cost can arrive at a by and large limit of $631.89 within, for the most part, normal cost of $568.21 in USD, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to be at around a truly least of $551.77 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin Cash exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost especially has shown a generally excellent increment of 718% as of now, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. From absolute most recent 7 days, the BCH was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 27.19%, exhibiting how Bitcoin Cash BCH value gauge August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash especially is generally anticipated to generally arrive at a by and large normal cost of $490.42, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $543.34 and in every practical sense, least of $473.99, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash truly has shown areas of strength for really all expectations and purposes potential of late. And this could be in every practical sense, great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, fundamentally further appearance how the BCH cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $604.57 with the very normal expected cost around $546.36 incredibly. Bitcoin Cash value figure 2024 facts. What will be Bitcoin Cash exceptionally worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The BCH cost basically is gauged to explicitly